So good evening everyone. We are here with an AI-powered NFT valuation tool, which will revolutionize NFT pricing with data-driven precision. Now the NFT market has seen unprecedented growth, yet it is plagued by a very critical problem, which is the price volatility. NFTs are currently valued based on subjective factors like hype, celebrity endorsements, and as well as like they are valued based on the perceived rarity. So this approach leads to unpredictable pricing, where buyers are often overpaying and sellers are underpricing. Ultimately, this undermines the liquidity and trust in the marketplace. Now, our project tackles these issues directly with cutting-edge AI-powered NFT valuation tool, that brings structure, transparency, and confidence to NFT pricing. Now, going on to the problem, as I mentioned, in the NFT landscape, we have very unpredictable pricing. So what we want to give is we have to introduce a structured pricing model where so that users don't face significant risk in both purchasing and selling. Now, what happens is prices fluctuate wildly, driven by short-lived trends, making it difficult for new buyers to navigate and sellers to get fair returns. Now, this lack of predictability creates mistrust and stunts the growth of NFT marketplaces and the overall growth of the ecosystem. So, to solve this, Anish will brief through the solution that we have come with.
Yeah, so good evening everyone. As my friend depicted that there is a problem without the help of the AI. So we are going to provide you an incentive solution. Our AI-powered valuation tool changes the game by providing the objective, data-driven NFT valuations. By analyzing the wide range of the real-time data along with the historical trends, we enable both the buyers and the sellers to make an informed decisions with the confidence. With the help of the AI-generated tools, we can make sure that neither the sellers nor the buyers are at the risk of lack of information with them. Because with the help of the AI, we can make sure that they'll have all the necessary information with them before buying or selling, before making any sort of the transaction. And the tool we employ has a multi-layered AI model that assesses not only the transactional data, but also the creator's reputation. That actually adds the sanity in this. Reputation, rarity, social sentiment, and the broader blockchain performance metrics to estimate the NFT's fair market value, so that the NFT is given the proper justice. And the key features would be some of the key features would be depicted by my friend Tushya.
Okay, so our platform basically comprises of a tool that helps to predict the prices of NFTs within the marketplace that is being made by us. The key features of our platform include AI-powered price prediction model. So how it works is our core valuation engine leverages ML to analyze NFT transaction data sets. So we'll be examining everything from historical prices to creator metrics. And then as well as one important aspect that we deem over here is the artwork rarity, which cannot be usually analyzed by traditional methods where we just work on the past trends. Now, by drawing on all the ML algorithms and the neural networks, our tool will identify patterns that are invisible to human eye, ensuring precision in pricing. So we churn together all the historical data as well as the analysis of the NFT that is put by the seller or buyer to give an accurate pricing based on the trends in the market. Now, also, this is integrated with Omnichain. So we integrate the Dojima's Omnichain network to leverage Omnichain capabilities, where we enable a tool to gather data across multiple blockchains such as Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. So this broad cross-chain approach ensures comprehensive insights across multiple networks and allows us to capture NFT data from the entire ecosystem and not just isolated networks. With Dojima, we also streamline interoperability, ensuring that our tool is compatible with all the future blockchains as the space evolves. Also, we plan to integrate RAG into our tool. So what we do is our RAG system leverages up-to-minute data across all the chains and sources, providing a constantly updated valuation. Now, whether it's a new transactional data or there are changes in creator metrics, or there could be changes in trending topics in NFT spaces as well, all driven by influencers, celebrities, causing influence in the market. So our RAG allows our model to synthesize all the real-time data and insights for the most current and accurate pricing estimates. Now there are a few more features that Anish will be explaining.
So, after getting to know about the first three features, we'll move on to the next feature. That's the sentimental analysis and the real-time market insights. By using the natural language processing, our AI scans the multiple social media platforms such as Twitter, Discord, and also from the other sources where we get the information of regarding NFTs, and so that the data from that is gauged into the real-time market sentiment. This analysis is crucial for the NFTs, where the popularity can shift rapidly. By processing and weighting the social sentiment, the tool adjusts the valuation to account the emerging market trends. Moving on to the next feature is the dynamic rarity detection. The first what the AI does is that AI first scans the NFT and in the art collections and the last projects in order to determine how rare that NFT is. I mean the design that's used for the for NFT for the creation of the NFTs and the elements used in it, such as the colors, animations, and the features. So in order to scale the NFT's true value, by detecting these, the tool goes beyond the traditional rarity metrics, delivering the granular insights of how uniquely the asset is, from which can significantly impact the pricing of it. And apart from this, the AI can what we can do is we can create an interactive dashboard for the transparent valuations. The user-friendly dashboard consists of the predicted values, historical trends, and the confidence score and the pricing anomalies. Confidence score is estimated by the amount of the data that is collected by the AI regarding that particular NFT. Like if the more the amount of the data collected, more would be the confidence score in that, and vice versa. For both new and experienced users, the level of the transparency demystifies NFT pricing, offering clear insights into what factors would actually influence an asset's value. Users can filter the collection, creator, or specific NFT trades, making it easy to make its precision valuation very quickly. So my friend would be explaining how Dojima and the Omnichain would power the solution.
So I'll just walk you through how Dojima and Omnichain will power this solution. So through Dojima's Omnichain capabilities, we'll integrate data across major blockchains. So this functionality is vital for the valuation because the most valuable data, that is the transaction history, creator reputation, and as well as the NFT scarcity, all exist across different chains on the network or through multiple networks. Now with Dojima, our tool pulls decentralized data from each network to create a unified cross-chain valuation model that is always up to date. Now this functionality gives us a competitive advantage in the accuracy through which we evaluate the pricing of the NFTs, ensuring that we factor in cross-chain variables like liquidity and as well as market trends across various chains. So by using Dojima's cross-chain infrastructure, our tool is future-proof as new blockchains keep adding or emerge. Dojima ensures that our AI can incorporate data from these chains without requiring reintegration. And also this will allow for seamless scalability in a rapidly growing ecosystem.
Yeah, so we'll now know about the competitive edge of it. So while some of the stuff. While some of the NFT pricings like DApp, Radar, NFT Bank, and the Upshot offer the basic insights, none of the leverage a cross-chain AI-powered approach. Our integration with the omni-chain compatibility with the Dojima coupled with the real-time RAG enhanced insights sets us apart. Our tool is designed to adapt instantly to the changes in the NFT values and in the blockchain condition. Like for example, if the particular blockchain is failing miserably, then the NFT value also changes accordingly, ensuring an unparalleled accuracy and the reliability.
So I'll walk you through what our core AI workflow is. So first we'll be collecting all the data through first the most important thing for predicting any trends is the historical sales, the metadata, and as well as the social media sentiment. One way of getting that is through the social media platforms where discussions keep happening on this regularly. Apart from that, then we'll process data, normalize the data, and then analyze the sentiment out of that data. Following that, we'll be doing training of the model where we analyze the data and then use that for making predictions. and then we'll evaluate the outputs through already classified data. So we'll go through the real world use cases and examples. So the use cases, like whenever a user is uncertain about the true market value of NFT, this tool will help the user a lot. Now, one great use case for this is whenever a buyer or seller is new to the ecosystem. Now, usually experienced traders do have some understanding of how the pricing should be, but when a newcomer joins in, he has no idea. So this is what stops people from getting started in an NFT marketplace. This would solve the problem of the barrier that is there for getting new users onboarded in the marketplace. And so, yeah, by calculating the prices and estimating a fair price, we allow new users to get easily onboarded onto our marketplace, allowing a seamless experience.
Yeah, so like if you depict one more example, like you'll go to a specific case. Like let's assume that a particular person is emerging as a artist of this Solana, and he is unsure about the true value of his NFT. So analyzing the network's metadata, the artist reputation, and the historical stakes, and the market sentiment combined with the real-time cross-chain data from the Dojima, the AI provides an accurate valuation range. Like for example, like if you take the confidence parameter also into the consideration, like based upon the data that's collected from the network, we can ensure that the NFT is valued at a particular price, ensuring that the buyer won't be at a particular loss even if he's buying a particular NFT at a higher price, and the seller would also be ensure that he would not be in a loss if now while selling his NFT. The AI can provide necessary information regarding the seller, whether the seller can how seller can maximize his sales, and in that way the AI power tools can help in NFT marketing.
Also, by optimizing pricing for sellers, we ensure that the sellers also get a fair price, a fair valuation for their NFTs. And another features include improving cross-chain inclusivity and scalability, and also reducing speculative bubbles. So, concluding on what our solution is about, our AI-powered NFT valuation tool transforms how users interact with NFTs, and it improves their engagement by introducing precision and trust to an otherwise speculative market. By integrating AI and Dojima's omni-chain capabilities, we are building a solution that not only solves the pressing problem of price volatility, but also future-proof NFT valuations for a thriving digital marketplace. With data-driven transparency and real-time omni-chain insights, our tool is poised to become an essential part of every NFT transaction, empowering users to trade confidently, supporting market stability, and paving the way for sustainable NFT ecosystem. Thank you. I'm Tushya, and
And I'm Anish.